Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and in this video we are going to talk about 3 video editing softwares that you can use for editing your videos. So without any further delay, let's start the video. The first app I want to talk about, that is INSHOT app. I use this app for editing my videos. Moreover, as far as I'm concerned, it is good. However, I didn't use that much for editing my videos. However, if you want to use, then you can use it. Moreover, the rating is good, so you can use it. The second app I want to talk about, that is KINEMASTER. I use this app for over a year. Moreover, it really works and I love editing my videos on KINEMASTER. Unfortunately, due to some strange reason, I had to delete that app. And while editing on KINEMASTER, you won't face any difficulty. Moreover, it is easy as a piece of cake to edit your videos on KINEMASTER, so you can use it. The last, however not least, so now you might wonder, the question is, if I'm not using these two apps, then what app do I use to edit my videos? You're right, the app I use to edit my videos for YouTube is VN application. Or I have been using this app for 8 or 9 months and it really works. Each app is different, and at starting I had no clue how to edit my videos because it was a new software. However, time goes on, I learned. And one thing I want to request you, that if you haven't watched that Coca Panimur waterfall video, then you would find it here or here, I guess. So that's the end of the story. Moreover, pals, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe it, and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, see ya.